Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to open Google Slides and get a presentation going, and also what is available on Google Slides for you to work with in your presentation. So the first thing you need to do is sign into Google, and I've already done that, so I'm going to go ahead and go right to the Drive, which is right here, and you can do a couple of things. You can go to your Drive, or you can just clearly open Google Slides. Personally, I like to go to my Drive. Once I get there, I always open a folder that I need to be in, and then I go ahead and start my new presentation. So to get to Google Slides, you clearly just need to click on New, and Google Slides is listed right here for you. So I'm going to click on that, and you have an untitled presentation that opens up. On the right-hand side, you have different themes that you can choose, and once you go through those, you can decide if you like something like that, or you can get real creative and add your own background colors and pictures as you move along. Let's go ahead and start with this particular theme, which is pretty basic. The first thing I always like to do is title my presentation. Presentation for English 3. That way you're able to locate all of these presentations well. So in order to add a new slide, you go ahead and click that, and it gives you all kinds of different options here. For a title slide, you can choose whatever you'd like, and then the title and body would be something else. But you go ahead and you click right on here, and you just go ahead and say your title. The cool thing about this is that you can actually right-click on your slides and you can change the background color. For example, if you'd like to do maybe a green, you can click that and click Done. If you don't want all of your slides to have the same theme, all you click is just change background. Maybe you want a yellow one. And unless you'd like to add the entire presentation, you're going to click Done. If you want to add the rest of the presentation to be that particular color, then you would say Add to Theme, and that would change all of them. So that is for you to decide on what you'd like to do. Another thing you can do is change the background using Google Images. Let's just say that you would like to add a particular... That's pretty gross, huh? If you wanted to add hearts or something like that, you can go ahead and copy the image, go over to here, and paste the object. And as you're writing, you would notice that you would have a blackout there. So one thing you might like to do is click on the picture, and where it says Order, you can send it to the back, which allows the text to go over the picture. The other really neat thing is if you right-click on your picture, let's get the image here. If you right-click on the picture, you're going to have something that says Image Options. You're going to want to click that, and you can actually adjust the transparency of the image so that it's only a slight picture in the background, which doesn't interfere with your text, which is really important for you to be able to do when you're presenting, because you want your audience to be able to see what you've written on your presentation. So Google Slides does save automatically as you work, and you are free to use this program to create your presentation, and this is a nice way for everyone to have access to the presentation so that you can all work on it together. So I'm going to go ahead and show that to you right now. After you form a presentation, only one person really needs to go ahead and do that. You're then going to click this blue share button here. And with that blue share button, you can then add the email addresses of the people you'd like to share this with. For example, if I wanted to share this with Mrs. Thomas, I would click here, and I would actually click Send, because that allows her to work on the same assignment as I'm working on, which is what you and your group are going to be doing during this Crucible project. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that it says Can Edit, because that allows Mrs. Thomas to be able to edit the project just as much as myself. So then I'm going to click Send, and it'll tell me that it has sent it to one person. So you have your toolbar up here. You can change animation. You can do all kinds of interesting things with this particular program. So again, if you have any other questions, feel free to ask. And I hope that this helps.